In this video, I will show you how to make Google your homepage in Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, what you're going to want to do is open up Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. And to actually make this so that it automatically opens up onto google.com, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to bring up this menu. From here, what you want to do is scroll down until you see settings, give that a click, and that's going to take you across to your Google Chrome settings. Now on here, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click the option which says on starter. So on here, you're going to see a few different options. What you want to do is click the option which says open a specific page or set of pages. Here you can see I've already got google.com added, but for yourself, you've probably not got that. So what you want to do is click the add a new page link here, and then go ahead and type google.com into the address bar here. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply click add at the bottom. As you can see, that's now done. And once that's done, when you close down Google Chrome and next reopen Google Chrome, it's now going to automatically open up google.com. So that is how to make Google your homepage in Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.